Dear friends, let's start the another topic of the NDA, which is definite integrals. You will find definite integrals question 2 or 3 questions from definite integrals containing these properties. So, dear friends, let me talk to the basically. I'll take 2 3 videos in this topic because it's very important and it needs more care about it. So let's start and start learning it. What today in this video discuss only one property that, and I'll do the question 4 5 questions based on it, and that's all for this. I introduce this topic with simple property. Okay, let's start first property that it is from a to b fx dx is equal to, if I change the limit b to a, it will be only minus sign. That is one part. This is the first one to go. When you change the limit, it gives, suppose the integration of this is equal to fx, okay, and if I put a to b here, so this is equal to fb minus fa. So this is fa. Alright, this is the one. So change. If I change here, it will be minus, opposite of this, minus, this is fa minus fb. If I put like this will be equal to this one here. So that is the question to go. So here the difference between this and this is the minus sign. So this is the minus sign. So first property is that, so we go with the change of the limit a to b and b to a. This amounts to change in the sign of the integral. Sign of integral a to b and b to a, there will be change in the sign of the value. The next one is, suppose I got a to b fx dx, and this I want to go for a to c fx dx and plus c to b fx dx. It is like this, where c lying between a to b. That is here. We can prove it. Now here it was, I just said this is equal to fb minus fa, okay. Here I do this is equal to fc minus fa, okay, and plus this is fb minus fc, and this fc and fc cancel, left only f. This is, therefore it's true. It's true. That is true. So we can this will be, whenever you find the value, it can be done. So let me do one question. Suppose I got this question 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, and this is the here bracket function of x. What is bracket function of x is it takes 0 value if x lying between 0 and 1. If it takes 1 and 2, its value, this is step function, step function, it takes 1 value. This is the 1, this is greatest integer function. It takes the greatest value of the integer 2, this is x and 3, it takes the value 2. So I'll take the 1 here, and how I divide, I take 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. This is bracket function of x, and greatest in this case the value will be only 1. It is 1 to 2 1 into dx. Here 2 to 3 its value will be equal to 2. This is equal to 2. So answer x here 1 to 2 plus my 2x 2 to 3, its value 2 minus 1 is 1. Here 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Answer is equal to 3. So this is how I divided the value of this greatest integer function. Greatest integer function depends upon the value of the interval in this 0 to 1. This is 1 here. Greatest integer function, GINT function, we call it GINT function. So this is, here we go. This is the value of this question. My next question, suppose I got minus 1 to 2, and this is modulus function here. Modulus function. Minus 1 to 2 modulus function. Modulus function of this. Very simple. Modulus function says this will be equal to x when x is positive. and when x is negative, its value is minus x. I told you earlier in my videos, in this case when it's negative here, this negative, so when the outcome will be positive. If I put minus 5, minus here 5. So this takes the value like this. Okay. So I will take, where will be minus 1 to 0, and here 0 to 2, modulus of x into dx. Okay, it's minus, therefore minus 1 to 0 and minus x. It's minus x dx. Here it's a positive, x goes from positive x into dx. I hope you understood. Minus x square by 2, minus 1 to 0, plus my x square by 2, 0 to 2. So the value is equal to, I'll put 0, minus minus plus, minus 1 square 1 by 2, plus 2 is equal to 2.5 is equal to 5 by 2 answer. So in this case, when there is involvement of a gent function or it is an absolute value function, then we do take care of this property. A से लेके B is equal to A to C and C to B. We can do into 2 parts or 3 parts or 4 parts, whatever that possibly we can do. This is how this question are used in the formula like this. Let me do another question, a simple question to go. I'll do one more question. However, the property will be involved, another property which I am not dealing, but that property also can be used. Minus 1 to 2, minus 1 to 2 x into modulus of x into dx. I do the question. What is the value of this? So I said modulus sign takes the value according to I have minus it. If it is minus, this I can put, where will be minus 0 to minus 1 to 0 and x into modulus of x. I divide into this plus 0 into 2 x into this one. So this will be minus, because minus x goes from minus 1 to 0, therefore take the minus sign. So this is equal to minus 1 to 0 x square dx. And here take the positive value, I don't have to bother, it is x square dx. This is equal to x cube minus x cube by 3 minus 1 to 0 plus x cube by 3 0 to 2. Well, I put 0 here, 0 minus 1 plus x cube minus 1 upon 3 plus this is equal to 8 by 3. The answer is 7 by 3. This is the answer we go, 7 by 3. That's all. So we use this property very easily to go with the situation where demands this type of question. Why my next property I want to do, and that property is, let me take one more property and then I'll finish it up. I'll take another property. The another property is from here, this is minus a to a fx dx is equal to twice of 0 to a fx dx if fx is even and is equal to 0 if fx is odd. Dear friend, you know very well what is even. A function fx is even if I put x is a minus x is equal to fx, and fx is odd if then f minus x is equal to minus fx. Look here. Well, I take the value, suppose fx is equal to x square, even or odd. This function is even because I put x is equal to minus x is minus x the whole square, it is equal to x square. Therefore, this is even. What about fx is equal to x cube? F minus x is equal to minus x the whole cube, it is equal to minus x cube. This is equal to minus fx. This is the condition for odd. This condition for the even is this is the one. So what is odd function and what is even function? That is, I'll do I'll prove it now. I'll go with the, here I go with the proof. By here I go. If fx is equal to minus 1, dx is equal to this. Therefore, here, suppose I talk about here the integration is fx, suppose minus a to a I took f here f x f a minus में f minus a. This is here to go. If I put like this, and what about my even and odd? If this function is odd even, so it depends upon f minus x is equal to minus f a. So this is even है तो ये this is as it is, so it will be this way we can find out that whether it is even or odd. I just take the proof away. Without proof I want to take the question. Let's say my question is suppose minus, I have done this type question now, just now, this is equal to what is, find the value of this, minus 1 to 1. I'll take up this proof next video, but I want to do this question again. Suppose here we got this question, minus 1 to 1. So I can make, when x is equal to minus x, I put this x is equal to minus x is equal to modulus of x. No change, no change. This remain the same. It's a even function. When it's an even function, I can twice of 0 to 1 modulus of x and dx. And I can say 2x here 0 to 1 dx. And answer is equal to 2 into x square divided by 2, 0 to 1. And answer is equal to 1. I can do like this. Here it is, 0 to 1. So that we can do when minus 1 to 1. One property here is an even function, fx is equal to minus f, the same, and this is twice of this is even, that is. Now I'll do a difficult type question, friend, a difficult type question, last question and a difficult type question. Let me have some difficult type question. minus 2 से लेके 2 modulus of x square into dx. I want to do this. My first step is the inside, this is the inside, is even or is an even function, therefore twice of 0 to 2, the bracket function of x square and this thing. First of all, let me cut. I just told you we will divide this interval in such a way that we can find the value during the interval, because 0 to 1, 0 included, its value is equal to 0. So first of all, I'll have the x 0 to 1, then I got 1 to x to 2, then here 1, this is x value between 3, then I'll have the value further 2 to 3, then 3 to 4 if it is there. Like this I'll find the value. Now since it is square, it is equal to 1 under root 2 under root 2 under root 3. 0 to 2 तक है, okay, कोई बात नहीं. Let's find out 0 to 2. I will find out 0 to 2, that is the one to go. 0 to 2. So here I go. 0 to 2, 1 point something, 1.0 to 2 is 1 point something, 2 का मतलब 4 से है 4 under root 3 by 4. I'll do like this. x स्क्वायर की बात करूँगा, x स्क्वायर, x स्क्वायर, x स्क्वायर, x स्क्वायर, x स्क्वायर. मेरी बात थोड़ी सी एक बात बता दें, दोबारा बता दें. मेरा यहाँ x की वैल्यू 2 है तो इसकी वैल्यू 4 होगी, 4 तक लेके जाएंगे. हमने इसकी वैल्यू 2 की वैल्यू यहाँ से मैं बात करूँगा. मैं थोड़ी सी बात बता दूँ, x की वैल्यू कम तक 1 कब तक होगी, 0 से 1 तक, 0 से 1 x स्क्वायर की वैल्यू 1 होगी यहाँ तक. अगला 2 कब होगी, यहाँ पर 2, x की वैल्यू क्या रखूँ कि 2 बन जाए, तो उसका मतलब अंडर रूट 2, अंडर रूट 2, अंडर रूट 2, ये अंडर रूट 2. फिर अंडर रूट 2 से लेके कहाँ तक रखूँ मैं कि इसकी वैल्यू 3 आ जाए, तो अंडर रूट 3 इन मॉडुलस ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इनटू dx. एंड नेक्स्ट अंडर रूट 3 to 4, 4 is here x square and dx. This repeating the point here again. x स्क्वायर की वैल्यू का हमने देखना 1 कब तक होगा इस फंक्शन की वैल्यू, जब x की वैल्यू 1 होगी. इसकी वैल्यू 2 कब होगी, x की क्या वैल्यू रखूं कि x स्क्वायर की 2 अंडर रूट 2 तक रख लेंगे. फिर यहाँ पर कहाँ रखें, 3 कब होगा, अंडर रूट 3 रखेंगे, और यहाँ पर अंडर रूट 4 2 तक रहेंगे. अब मेरा काम खत्म. अब मेरा काम बिल्कुल आसान, 0 से लेकर 1 1 इंटू dx. and here 1 to under root 2, and its value is equal to square 2, so its value 2, sorry, its value is equal to 0, its value is equal to 1, and here under root 2 to under root 3, its value is equal to 2, or under root 3 to under root, this is equal to, its value is 3. Great least value लगेगी यहाँ पर. So friend, 2 into this value is equal to 0, it's equal to under root 2 minus 1, and here 2 here, under root 3 minus under root 2, and here 3 into 4 minus under root 3. That is the goal. Twice of under root 2 or under root 2, under root 3, 2 into under root 3, 3 into under root 3, 12 तो ये हो गया 12, 12 and 12, the 11. Under root 3, 3 into under root 3 and under root 2, so under root 3 minus left, and plus here, minus under root 2 and minus under root 3. That is the one here. Under root 2 and 2 into under root minus here, and 2 under root 3 minus this one. This is the answer you get into it. So this x square has complicated some sort of find the value, not 0 to 1. And not again 1 to 2 नहीं होगा, बल्कि 1 to under root 2 होगा, ताकि इसमें under root 2 रखूं तो यहाँ इसकी वैल्यू यहाँ से यहाँ तक आए और उसकी वैल्यू को 1 बनाया जाए यहाँ पर. ऐसे थोड़ा सा difficult to understand this part. Hope you understood. Okay, I'll just leave this video here and I'll do more topic. I'll prove minus a to a is equal to twice of this when it is even, and I'll do more questions based on that property because it's very, very important. Thank you.